here with Joe. Joe's got this amazing coupe here. Tell us about your ride, mate.
I bought about 4 years ago. It was partly finished, and it wasn't an original Cobra, but from factory it was a Snow White 351 C4 9-inch, and had all the right ingredients. It just didn't, and I've always wanted a Cobra. I could never afford an original one. So what I did was I thought, my son goes to me, get it, Dad, and we'll get it, you know, we'll build it a Cobra. I thought, yeah, why not? It's a factory rally pack, so it's pretty all what
it's pretty much there by the stripes, isn't
exactly,
it?
So we basically got it all resprayed, got the correct stickers on, then they're a proper stick on. Engine and all that was all pretty good, and I've got the interior redone with the proper Cobra seats, and I even put the badge on the glove box, which is
awesome.
It's not the right, you know, you can buy them now, so it's pretty good.
Fantastic. So any internal work on the engine? Did you super up a bit, or?
Basically it's fully cammed up. It's got a 750 vacuum secondary on it, extractors, and it's beefed up quite a bit, you know. But the engine was actually already in there, so it was pretty good that way.
So just a cruiser mainly then?
Mainly cruiser. Well, the biggest thing was my missus said to me, "Oh, I want a car with air conditioning. You know, can you put air conditioning in the car?" And I thought, I don't want to do that. I'm going to buy a car with air conditioning. So this already had it. Wasn't working, but I got it. And so now she doesn't complain when we go in the hot sun. So we got air conditioning.
They say happy wife.
True.
Beautiful.
True,
so you've had it for 4 years, and did that take you that long to get it back up to the way you wanted it? Or?
Probably about a year. By the time I did, you know, I changed the wheels, a bit of the suspension work, all the electric fuel pump wasn't right, the seat trims weren't correct, you know, just to buy the seat trims, like just the actual material was about $2,500. It's only one person that makes it, you know. But that was all right. You know, these cars cost a lot of money, and you've got to be prepared to spend it.
Well, you do these days, especially now. COVID tax and all the rest of it still lingering, and that sort of thing. But well, look, awesome, mate. Well, thanks for having a chat with us at the garage, man. Love the car, man. This is beautiful. I used to get mate of mine. Dad had one of these when we were kids, and it was a lot bunkier than this, and he just used to drive us around everywhere in it. So I've got great memories for these old cars.
No, we love it. We love cruising in it, and the good thing is it's a replica, so I can drive it all the time. I know a lot of guys got genuine ones, and they won't take them out. But you know, there's no use having these cars if you don't drive them. You've got to enjoy them. You know, you got to take friends out in them, and we have a great time. You know, everyone waves, gives you a thumbs up, and you get that good satisfaction thing. Oh, I've worked hard for this, and people appreciate it.
Awesome. Well, so you've let the cat out of the bag that you've got a few more toys at home, so we're going to come and see you at home.
Sure. No, I'm working on a few projects now.
Nice.
But I'm the type of guy that once I start, I actually do it. They don't sit in the corner. And I've built quite a few cars in the past. Unfortunately, I've got a full-time job, so I can't do it all every day. But there's quite a few, and my boys are into it as well. So you guys are welcome to come round, and we'll bring all the cars. They're all licensed and drivable.
Mate, that sounds great for us.
You'll see my workshop where you're working.
Yeah, mate, I look forward to it.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, Jay, thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey everyone, we're going to catch up with Joe in a month, and we're going to talk to him about his XA GT, XY GT, his Cobra, and he's also got a Cobra Cortina and a Charger and so many other cars in his workshop that he's restoring. So we'll catch up with full interviews then.